Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of November 16th through the 22nd. I'm using this really old partial kit I have from Chels called Hello Fall. You see super cute full boxes, some like functional stuff here, glitter headers, and some more functionals here. To go with it, I pulled a few washi tapes. These and this one are all from AliExpress. And then these two are for like old AC Moore ones, and I think these are actually going to be what I use on the bottom. I think they go really well with the kit. I mean, the cameras aren't super obviously related, but I think it kind of goes with like the iPad and whatever in this full box. So that's my plan. I'm going to stick these down, and then it's been a while since I've scattered things, so I think I'm going to scatter my glitter headers and my full checklists. So I'll probably do all that stuff, and then come back so we can do all the interesting bits. All right, there's the base kind of set up. I plan to mostly follow these kind of orange headers, except I'm going to stick the double box over here. So this one's the double box going down like so. And then I think I want to use this one as my quote box. Little planners, cute. And this one right here. I'm just kind of sticking these down at this point. I feel like the two house kind of go with those two. Maybe I'll stick, I guess, the pumpkins over here. If I sound terrible, I'm sorry. I have a really stuffy nose from allergies today, so I'm doing my best. All right, there is the base, all done. I think it's pretty cute. For the sidebar, I'm gonna use up these last few glitter headers, I think. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. And then I think I just want to stick in one habit tracker right here. Then another header. Then I'm going to stick in this weekly box. This is going to be for my meals, which is like I frequently do. And then this one, I'm going to stick in a to-do list. There's definitely been a few things that I've been slacking on. You know, sometimes life gets crazy. And then I think I'm just going to stick this like green washi down here at the bottom. Like so. Kind of fill out that space. There we go. I did actually, for a change, pull out some Instagram icons from Piper Paper Company. I feel like all the colors are too like colory. Does that make sense? I'm gonna use this kind of like beige one. So I've been marking Instagram every week, but I'm actually using an icon there for a change because I keep forgetting to get these out. So there we go. That is now sidebar done. In terms of the week, overall not super eventful. I'm gonna start out with this guy to mark work. And then I also want to stick in an icon here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 half boxes. Well, if I have some leftovers, that's fine. Okay. I'm gonna use this little guy. That's gonna mark my plan with me. That's all I have for Monday. Tuesday. I'm trying to figure out what like other colors I have. I think I'm gonna use this one for work. That's all I really have going on then. Wednesday is another work. And I wanted to mark, I guess I'll use this one. Forged in Fire returns. Thursday, I'm actually going to use one of these flags to mark work. I have a work lunch as part of my day, so I feel like taking up a little more space to mark both things is helpful. And Friday is another work day. There's that. The weekend, I don't really know anything. I do want to mark for Thursday and Friday. Let's see. I will use on Thursday, I guess I'll use this one. I'm doing some alumni interviews for my alma mater. So mark those in as so. So that's literally all I have right now. Not super eventful. I'm going to fill in everything with the iHow 0.38 and then I will be right back. Alright, that is everything for now. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Alright, here is the finished spread. Hopefully the lighting's not terrible. Don't have my other lights handy. So mostly this kit, this is stuff from the kit. This is from Chasing Chels called Hello Fall. I have some leftovers, so I'm going to save those for later. It's a super old kit, but I think it's still super cute. The bottom washi comes from AC Moore. I can't tag it because AC Moore doesn't exist anymore. I have a little Instagram icon from Piper Paper Company. This is from Creative Cavern Studio. This skinny washi is from AliExpress. More AC Moore washi. And then these two are also from Creative Cavern Studio. And everything else is from the kit. I tried to really use the kit as much as possible. So I love how it turned out. It's super cute, very fall-like. Definitely a fun kit to use in my super fall-themed fall this year. And as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress, finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.